Today we're going to talk about managing your trading expectations. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. G'day traders, I'm Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading, and today we're going to be talking about managing your trading expectations. A couple things in the last 2 days, some great feedback, great emails. One of the things that popped up was just talking about day-to-day managing emotions, managing trade expectations. And I think really, it's just getting yourself into that headspace. And I talk about this, the penny dropped a lot with Peter Brandt. You've got to be really getting into the headspace that you're either trading or you're not trading. And if you're trading, you're cutting your losses, you're sticking to your trading plan, you've got an edge, you manage your expectations, you execute to the best of your ability, you prepare, you go over your trade plan, you journal at the end of that, you monitor your mental state, you are looking for your best trade setups, and you just keep it simple and you keep it reproducible. If you're not doing that, then really you're not trading, you're gambling and you're speculating. When we first come to the markets, we're happy, we're excited, somebody shows us something about trading and we think, holy cow, this is just fantastic. This is a way for me to get out of my job, or for me to make more money, or for me to have freedom, or whatever it is for you. It's just one of those things where initially when the penny drops, you're happy and you're excited because now you see a way that you can make all your dreams and all the things that you want come true. And of course then greed kicks in because you want it to happen quickly and you want it to happen big and fast, and you want to make a lot of money as quick as possible. And then what happens is you get beat up a little bit and you get a bit fearful, and then you start to get a bit emotional, a bit angry, frustrated, and eventually, if you're at it long enough and you don't change anything, many of us get defeated. And I've been there, and I've been so close so many times to just quitting, but it was never in me to quit. I knew I would keep trading, so ultimately I had to figure out a way that was going to work for me. And the first thing, I talk about mindset training, and if you're listening to stuff, I think you need to listen to other traders all the time. You need to listen to what they're telling you, and you need to listen to the fact that every trader has been down that road. But what they've done at some point is they've realized that the real holy grail, the real secret to trading is learning how to cut your losses, learning how to manage your expectations in the sense of understanding that you have to have a realistic expectation. Now that breaks down into some smaller subcategories, and one of them is knowing the instrument that you're trading intuitively. So what is the average range, or what is the range that you're trading? What is the expected movement of that instrument on this particular trade setup that you have? Are you trading on an hourly chart, an end-of-day chart? Are you trading off of a weekly chart on, using an hourly time frame? All the things that will really intuitively determine how much and how long you need to be in that position for those expectations to be met. And then obviously the third component of that is position sizing and capital allotment on that particular trade that's going to protect your trading account psychologically as well, but also in terms of not damaging your trading account, assuming that you lose on that trade. So again, traders, go back, keep it simple. You need to manage your expectations. You need to really know all those aspects intuitively down to the last detail for the entire trading process. So again, you need to know that instrument, you need to know the average range, you need to know the expected movement of the range that you're trading. Now, I'm not saying to cut your winners, but you definitely need to know when that price action or your exit is showing up for you to leave that position to take profit or to exit that trade. But keep your expectations reasonable and emotionally oriented, because if you don't, you're going to end up impulsively entering into the market. You're going to over leverage your trades. You're going to do damage to your trading account. You're going to move your stops. You're not going to have a stop. You're going to average into losing positions. You're going to take trades that are outside of your trading plan. And you're going to do things that ultimately will just bring you back full circle to where you started, hopefully without blowing up your trading account, but you won't make any progress. So again, you got to get in the headspace of being a professional. This is a performance activity. You get paid for performance, and that comes right down to making split-second decisions, not only in terms of your order placement, but recognizing when you're wrong, getting out of the markets, being able to also get into the markets. Sometimes you're gonna take a trade impulsively, but it's a perfect setup. But you need to be in the right headspace all the time, being emotionally oriented in terms of your position sizing and what your expectations are on each and every single trade. So hopefully you got some value out of today's video. Traders, manage your trading expectations. Keep it simple. There's no rocket science to trading. It really is boiling down to you yourself having that professional mindset of managing your capital, cutting your losses, having an edge, and just executing your system flawlessly. Go to my homepage, get my 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. Don't focus on perfection, don't focus on the holy grail, focus on constant progress and keep getting better. Have a great trading day, and may the markets go with you. Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.